Our kite is like right there and it's stuck on the grass. But look what came over to the meadow. It's a Mr. Longhorn. Wild Longhorn, so we're not going to go and get it, although it's just right there, because I'm sitting right in front of a creek. And I don't know what's in that creek, so I'm not going to go risk myself for a $1.25 kite from Dollar Tree. And as you can see, there's poop all over the place, so we don't know what else is out here. But it's known to have buffaloes. And if you can see that right there, there's coyote poop. Or wolf. And I don't know if there's any wolf in Oklahoma. But I don't want to find out the hard way. And these are my kids having fun over there with their kites.